Hi, in this session what I want to do is I want to take another dataset, use decision tree classifier and this time pass max depth and then build decision tree for it, right? So I'll be using this hard dataset which I have already imported into my Jupyter notebook using pandas. And if I check the head of this dataset, that is my first 5 rows. So there are two classes, class 1 and class 2. So this is basically a dataset for heart disease, right? And that heart disease is of two categories, that is class 1 and class 2, right? So except the last column, that is heart disease, I have put rest of my data into X, and my last column, that is heart disease, that will come under Y. Then I have made the object of this class decision tree classifier and I have passed max depth is equal to 3, right? So my tree can only have a depth of 3. Then I have fit the data set. Let me keep running this as well. After our model is trained, let's have a look at our decision tree using export graphviz and py.plus. So this is what my decision tree actually looks like, right? This time the depth is only 3, right? 1, 2 and 3. So due to limitation on our max depth, my nodes are not able to get to purity, right? So definitely there are going to be a few training errors. So if I see in this block, out of total 96 points, 7 will be labeled incorrectly, right? Similarly here, out of 5 points, 2 will be labeled incorrectly. If I see total number of incorrect points, it will be 7 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4, right? So let me check the score, which obviously won't be 1. So it is 0.86, right? So this is because of the max depth limitation that we have set, due to which it is not able to achieve higher training score and which has prevented it from overfitting. So I hope decision trees are clear. See you in the next session. Thank you.